Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix iPhone charging slow or not charging issue. So let's jump right into it. Solution number 1. Check the charging cable and adapter. Always use the original Apple certificate cable and adapter. Cheap or faulty chargers often cause slow charging. Try another charger to confirm if that's the problem. Solution number 2. Turn off optimized battery charging. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on battery. Go to battery health and charging. Turn off optimized battery charging. Solution number 3. Check for iOS update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on general. Select software update. If an update is available, tap download and install. Apple often fix charging and battery issues in updates, so always keep your iPhone updated. Solution number 4. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap on general. Scroll down and select transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset. Choose reset all settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. Your iPhone will restart and all settings will go back to default, but don't worry, your data will stay safe. And that's it for today's video. I hope this solution helped you fix your iPhone charging problem. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching this video.